Ralph here once again. Let's say you want to basically give a data frame or time series analysis, some sort of bivariate analysis, we're comparing figures or whatever, and you want to give that scatter plot a nice shading effect. Well, one nice little trick here is instead of basically inputting colors, you basically input the letter C and you assign that letter C to either the value, I should say, in regard to either an axis, a column and a data frame, an index, something where you can represent a change. Well, in any case, give you an idea how it looks. I made these scatter plots kind of dense, just basically assigning to the x-axis, y-axis, or mishmash, and did it so you can get an idea of the color change over time when just assigning the C to an axis or so. Remember, you're not adding a color. You're assigning it to an axis or a data frame or time series or index, whatever. You see how it turns out? Well, I hope this helps. A nice little added touch. Ralph off. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye.